What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. If you're new here, I would love it if you'd subscribe and become a member of this family. But if you've been rocking with me, welcome back. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to get active in the comments. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you know whenever time I post a video. So words on the street is that I talk too fast, and I do agree. Ever since I've known myself, I've always been a fast talker. So I guess if I have to slow it down a little, I shouldn't have any problems slowing it down a little. It's just gonna mean that the videos are gonna be a little longer, because sometimes I'm talking fast because I need to get through the information that I have to pass on. To myself, what better way to slow it down than to do like a question and answer? So I went on Google and I just Googled some question and answers, and I'm gonna start with that. Keep in mind there were a lot of questions, but I kind of wanted to just pick out some that were fun, that wasn't too serious, they were fun, that would make you laugh, they'll just make your day. It's just a relaxed video that you can actually listen to instead of even watch. But don't forget to give the thumbs up though. So let's begin. Question and answer. So the first question is just say wet your bed, and I have to laugh about that. No, I don't wet my bed. I can't remember the last time I wet my bed. I don't remember wetting my bed as a child. I'm pretty sure I did. My mom would be a better person for me to ask, but I know that about a month ago, I'm gonna be sorry that I told this. I'm gonna be sorry that I say this on camera, but about a month ago, it was like morning time, and I was dreaming that I was like peeing. I was going to the bathroom and I jumped up just in time. I didn't wet my bed, but I jumped up just in time. I feel like if I waited like another minute, I would have wet my bed. But to answer the question, no, I do not wet my bed. But I don't think wetting your bed is impossible if you're having the dreams that I'm having. And I don't remember what I was dreaming. It wasn't nothing sexual or nothing like that. Just dreamt that I was peeing and I was getting ready to pee in my bed, and I jumped up. The second question is beer or wine? For me, it's wine, not beer. I've never liked beer. I feel like beer kind of just bloat me up. I know that I'm allergic to gluten. Definitely not beer. So wine does kind of bloat me up a little too. I try not to drink too much nowadays, but definitely it wouldn't be beer, it would be wine. The third question is, are you drunk? No, I'm not drunk. It's Sunday, I'm coming from church, that's why I'm dressed like this. I'm not drunk. The fourth question is feeling sleepy. As a matter of fact, I could take a nap right now. I am kind of feeling sleepy because it's what, 2:45 in the afternoon, and I'm getting old. I just need naps. Naps are essential when you're getting old, so I'm kind of feeling a little sleepy. Fifth question is, are you a flirt? I wouldn't consider myself a flirt, but people have told me that I'm a flirt before because of my eyes. People say I have flirty eyes, you know. And another thing, most times if I'm wearing like a shirt, my shirt can't be buttoned across my breast because I'm a little bustier. So a lot of times my breast is kind of always out when I'm wearing certain things, and people will consider that as me flirting. But I don't really think I'm a flirt. I think I'm funny, and I mean, I'll give a person a pleasant smile, but where flirting is concerned, I don't think I'm a flirt, but some might beg to differ. The sixth question is talk to animals. So I guess the question is, do you talk to animals? I think I do. I think we all do. Like if you see a dog, you'll be like, what's a pup, what's a puppy, whatever. And I used to have a dog as a pet, and I used to talk to her. So I would say, yeah, I talk to animal, but nothing crazy. No, I'm not looking for any answers or nothing. Just I'll just talk, nothing crazy. Seventh question is, are you hungry? No, I'm not hungry. I'm actually pretty full right now. On my way from church, I stopped at my mom and I got a healthy plate of chicken foot soup. It was so good and rich and nice and yellow. So no, I am not hungry at the moment. So the eighth question is, do you cry in public? Do I cry in public? I feel like if I have the need to cry, I'll cry anywhere, you know, because crying is an emotion. I don't feel like you have control over it. You just cry if you have the need to cry, because sometimes you just can't hold back those tears. So if I need to cry in public, I'll cry in public. But do I ever cry in public? I don't know, and if I did, probably no one have ever seen it, you know. I kind of just do it on the down low. I'll cry in the rain though. The ninth question is, are you always happy? I don't think no one is always happy. No, I'm not always happy, because sometimes there are things on your mind and you feel like it's the end of the world, and you just constantly thinking about that thing. It's hard to think about happy things when you have problems, when you have stress, when you're thinking about other things and other people, it's hard to think about happy things. For the most part, I try to make myself happy because I'm a true believer that happiness comes from within. But no, I'm not always happy, and I doubt there's anyone that's always happy. Number 10 is, do you have a stalker? Not what I know of. A couple of times I've been out, like in the store, Walmart and so, and I feel like people are watching me, following me, stalking me, and I'm pretty sure at least 2 times somebody was really actually following me around in the store, but I wouldn't consider that stalking, and I don't see why somebody would stalk me. Can you fart in public? That's a funny question. I think you can fart anywhere, because sometimes the fart just come out if it wanna come out. Yeah. Ever peed in the woods? Yeah. I'm a Jamaican, I'm a country girl, I'm from the rural areas. We pee in the bush. There were times when I pee in the bush. I would do a lot of other things in the bush that I probably shouldn't tell you guys here, because I'm not gonna tell you guys, but yeah, I've peed in the woods. 13th question is, are you always impatient? I'm not always impatient, but there are some times when I get a little anxious about certain situations, especially when it has to do with, you know, when it's something important and you've been waiting, you'll get a little impatient. But no, I'm not always impatient. I have patience. That's one thing with me. I have patience, and it has brought me this far in life. I do have patience. I'm not always impatient. Do you cry in sad movies? Yes, I cry in sad movies. There's nothing to it. I just cry. Sometimes I sit and I sob and I'll be wiping tears. I cry in sad movies. Sorry. Already at 15. Number 15. Would you marry a celebrity? Of course I'd marry a celebrity. If I was in love with a celebrity, I'd marry a celebrity. But I wouldn't just marry a celebrity because they're a celebrity. They have to be good to me, treat me good, and we have to be in love. Are you a drama queen or a drama king? No, I'm not a drama queen. No, I'm not a drama king. I know I couldn't be a king because I'm a girl, but no, I'm not a drama king at all. I'm probably furthest away from being a drama queen, and I just have one reaction to everything. So like, you tell me the worst news and I'll be like this. You can't tell that I'm sad or whatever. But no, I'm not a drama queen. Do you dance and sing in the car? That's my jam. All the times I sing and I dance in the car, all the times. That's just my thing. Ever stolen a street sign before? No. What am I gonna do with a street sign? I've never stolen no street sign before. Do you sing or dance in the shower? Yep, I dance in the shower for exercise, especially when the water is warm and you know the warm water kind of loosen up your muscle. I'll dance sexy in the shower, sexier than I'll ever dance anywhere else. I'll dance in the shower, and I definitely sing, and I do sing a loud in the shower. Have you ever forgotten your birthday? It's funny that this question is in this, because I just had a birthday on October 31st, and to be honest with you, I kind of did forget my birthday, like up to a couple of days before. I kind of did forget my birthday. It's like it came too fast on me. So yeah, I have forgotten my birthday, but I had a good birthday, even though no one asked. I did have a good birthday. But yes. Do you ever ask stupid questions? I think we all ask stupid questions. Honestly, I don't think any question is stupid, because you either know or you don't know. So usually if you ask a question, you don't know and you want to know. And keep in mind, if you have a question, trust me, somebody else have the same question. Somebody else have the same question. So I don't think any questions are stupid. It may sound stupid to a person who already have the answer to it, but for somebody who really just don't know, I don't think any questions are stupid. But if you want to ask if I've ever asked stupid questions, yep, I've asked stupid questions. Why not? How long can you stay without bathing? Probably 3 days. I probably could go 3 days without bathing, not because I'll smell or anything like that, but I'll start getting like uncomfortable. I just need water on my skin, because water refreshes everything. Water wash away your troubles, and you guys know, if you watched my videos, you know how I feel about being clean and cleanliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. So I don't want to go so long without bathing, but I could go at least 3 days without bathing. Would you give all your money to charity? I don't want to lie. I want this to be an honest question and answer. If I don't need it, I'll give all my money to charity. But when would I not need any money so that I can give it away? I don't think there's ever a time when you just don't need no money at all, so you can just give it away. But if I don't need it, sure, I would give all my money away. But I'm not gonna like give away my money and then you die for hunger or whatever. But I'll give most of it though. And if I have a little, I'll still give. I won't wait until I have a lot to give. Have you ever laughed at the wrong moment? Yes. I've done that, and it's not always pleasing to everybody. Sometimes people think you're laughing at their troubles, so it's not good to laugh when it's not appropriate. But I have laughed at the wrong moment. 26, we're at number 26. All places you have piercings on your body. My ears, my nose, my navel. So my ears, my nose, my navel, and I had piercing on my tongue, but I don't have it anymore. So those are the places that I have piercing. Number 27, can you spend all your money on something stupid? It depends. What do you consider stupid? What do you consider stupid, I may not consider that stupid. So I may spend all my money on something that you think is stupid, but to me it wasn't stupid. But again, I don't think I'll spend like all my money in one place. Not all my money in one place. I'll have a little left. So I don't know. It's kind of like yes and no. No, because I don't think I'll spend all my money, but yes, because I'll spend my money on something that you would think stupid, but I don't think it's stupid. So yes and no. Would you drop your phone after you just bought it? I hope I wouldn't. I don't like dropping my phone. I've dropped my phone a couple of times. Right now my phone is cracked. I can show you it. Right now my phone is cracked, and I've dropped my phone a couple of times, and I've dropped my phone in Vegas and smashed the face, like everything, and then I lost it the same day because I put it down to get a smoothie, and then I walked away. When I came back, it was gone. So I've smashed my phone. I hope I wouldn't just drop a new brand phone. Number 29, do you always smile for the camera when taking pictures? No, I take a lot of serious pictures. I can show you so many serious pictures in my phone that I haven't posted anywhere. I have way more pictures in my phone than I've posted. I have so many pictures, and a lot of serious pictures, because sometimes I think it's cute when you're serious, like pose for the camera now, flick. Yeah, sometimes it's serious pictures are cute, I think so. And final question is, what did you dress up for Halloween when you were a kid? Well, I grew up in Jamaica. We did not celebrate Halloween. We don't celebrate Halloween. Halloween is not a thing for us, but I feel like now, since I've been living here, or even before I came here, you know, they started celebrate Halloween, but not so much like trick-or-treating, but like they'll have Halloween parties. People dress up in costume to go to costume parties, but I never grew up with Halloween, so I never dressed up as a kid for Halloween, and I think a lot of us never did, and I still don't think we do. Halloween is not a Caribbean thing, but we know about it, especially for the last 10 to 15 years. We know about Halloween, so now they'll have Halloween party, but they don't have like kids dressing up and trick-or-treating or not like that. At least not what I know. If I don't have kids, I don't know if none of my nieces or nephews dressing up. No, I've never dressed up as anything as a child. We didn't celebrate Halloween. So that was the 30th and final question. That was kind of fun. It could have been a little more fun, but I hope you guys enjoyed this easy video. I kind of like this easy video that I don't have to think too much. I didn't have to research. I just found some questions and I just answered them. They were easy to answer. So I may do more videos like this instead of all those serious videos that's packed with information, and you know, which I like those because at least you're learning something from the information. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next upload. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.